Stress and intonation are the musical elements of English pronunciation. They are crucial because they affect both the clarity of individual words and the overall meaning and attitude of a sentence. Understanding and using them correctly is vital for comprehension and sounding natural. 1. Word stress. Word stress is the emphasis placed on a specific syllable within a word. This syllable is pronounced louder, longer, and at a slightly higher pitch than the other syllables. A. The importance of word stress. Clarity. Placing the stress on the correct syllable makes the word recognizable to a native speaker. Misplaced stress can make a word difficult to understand. Part of speech. Stress can change the meaning and grammatical function of a word. Here are some examples. B. Common stress rules, general tendencies. While there are many exceptions, these rules apply to a large number of English words. Two-syllable nouns, adjectives. Stress is usually on the first syllable. For example, table, purple, happy. Two-syllable verbs, prepositions. Stress is usually on the second syllable. For example, begin, receive, among. Words ending in ion, itty. The stress usually falls on the syllable right before the ending, the penultimate syllable. Example, communication, electricity, geographic, to. Sentence stress and rhythm. Sentence stress is the emphasis placed on certain words within a sentence to communicate meaning. English is a stress-timed language, meaning the stressed words occur at fairly regular intervals, creating a rhythm. A. What to stress? Content versus function words. In normal speech, English speakers primarily stress content words because they carry the main meaning. Function words are usually unstressed, reduced. Here are some examples. B. Changing meaning with stress, contrastive stress. You can deliberately stress a function word or shift the stress to any word in a sentence to change the meaning or correct information. Here are some examples. Intonation. Pitch, movement. Intonation is the rise and fall of the voice's pitch over an entire sentence or phrase. It conveys the speaker's attitude, emotion, and intent. A. Falling intonation. The pitch drops at the end of the sentence. This signals completion and certainty. Statements. I'll be home late. Commands. Close the door. WH questions. Who, what, where, etc. Where are you going? B. Rising intonation. The pitch rises at the end of the sentence. This signals a question or uncertainty. Usage. Yes. No questions. Are you ready? Greetings, politeness, hello. C. Fall-rise intonation. The pitch falls and then rises within a phrase. This signals that a thought is incomplete, a contrast is being made, or the speaker is expressing reservation or uncertainty. Lists. Non. Final items. We need eggs, milk, and sugar. Uncertainty. Conditional. It's possible, but difficult. We hope you enjoy this video. If so, like and subscribe.